Do you want to increase your hair growth? Well, bust out the onions, baby. Psych, I brought it pre-made. We're going to talk about onion oil today and learn how to not walk around smelling like a $5 footlong. Here we go! What up, it is your girl MD and welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, don't forget to hit that subscribe button before you head out. Today we're going to be talking all about onion oil and its benefits to our hair and increased growth. There are many things that I need to point out, but first I want to highlight, my friends, that the contents of this sweet little bottle scored 100 on the Yuka app. That alone is giving promise. If you watch my Yuka app video, you already know that out of all of the products that I scanned, only one was 100, maybe two. I think there was only one, but 100. We're just gonna jump right into it. I'm gonna lay out all the facts, and in the midst of it, I'm gonna show you how I applied it and let you guys know my first impressions and how I am going to work it into my routine. Why is onion oil, or just onions in general, so beneficial to the hair? Onions contain high levels of sulfur, and that's going to help increase growth production, collagen production, and it's going to also help strengthen your roots. It has so many essential nutrients and vitamins such as B9, B6, potassium, and vitamin C. It contains antibacterial, anti-inflammatory, and antioxidant properties that are going to help remedy scalp-related issues, helping to fight fungus, bacteria, and help reduce dandruff, as well as helping to keep the scalp moisturized, which we love to hear. It nourishes your scalp, enhances blood flow, promoting the development of thicker, stronger hair. If you're new to my videos, new to my channel, maybe you don't know, but the scalp is so important as far as just having healthy hair in general, because it is the base of everything. It's the foundation. My favorite analogy when it comes to hair is your scalp is the soil of your plant, literally. If your soil is janky, what do you think is going to happen to your hair? Exactly, it's going to be janky. So yes, you want to start with a good foundation, good, healthy soil. Let me quickly show you how I applied this to my hair. Obviously, it's not rocket science. You know how to apply oil to your hair. Yeah, I just applied it to my roots and my scalp and worked it in, massaged it in, and whatever was left over in my hands, I rubbed it throughout my strands and my ends. I didn't want to miss like any spots on my scalp, so I tried to do it not in smaller sections, but medium-sized sections, and I made sure to squeeze like a good amount on that scalp area and let it just run down into the next section, if that makes sense. I know you guys don't really need a tutorial on how to apply oil, but that's just how I did it. Made sure I did a generous amount around my edges because I'm pretty sure that those braids that I had this summer broke off my hair. But yeah, that's a video and a conversation for another day. So this is how they tell you to use their oil. Apply the oil to the tips of your fingers and rub it gently in the base of your hair, enabling it to penetrate to the roots of your hair. Leave it overnight for a few hours. Wash with your herbal shampoo or prefer a natural shampoo. Daily use to a minimum of 2 to 3 weeks. So if you're going to use it daily, only use it for 2 to 3 weeks. For enhanced benefits, wrap your hair in a moist hot towel for 15 to 20 minutes after massage. So I ended up leaving that in for 5 hours, and when I took my hair down, it was extremely soft. This hair was a week old. It didn't have a ton of product in it, and I just did my wash day like normal, and afterwards my hair was still extremely soft. I felt like extra soft than normal, but I felt like my hair looked really, really dark, like in a good way. And I always feel like that post-protein treatment. So yes, visually, that is the vibe that I got. I just don't know if that is related to the onion oil, but it's definitely something that I noticed. Okay, back to sulfur. So the sulfur in onions help prevent your hair from breakage, split ends, and thinning. The other nutrients in onions stop your hair from oxidizing. This keeps the pH of your hair at a normal level, avoiding early graying. Let's stop there. I always say apparently when a product claims to stop early graying or prevent graying, because how do they know? Like, how do they know? How do they know? Yes, I put my mic on my phone and I think I kind of love it. So if you see this little black thing popping up and down from the bottom, that's what it is. Okay, love you, bye. I dug a little deeper into what oxidation means because I kind of know what it means, but what is a legit definition, especially in reference to our hair and graying? Let's read it together. Whenever the hair is exposed to sun, UV light, chemicals, or hair treatments, hair color oxidation occurs. This can cause the hair to lighten and have a reddish undertone, which is a result of a loss of pigment in the hair shaft, which is in turn caused by the outer layer of the hair half peeling away. AKA turn gray. I'm just out here holding on to hope that the rest of my hairs stay black and don't turn gray. Yeah. Regular use of onion oil is going to encourage hair regrowth and effectively treat and prevent balding and thinning hair. We know what the back of this bottle says, but during my research, I gathered a bit of input of how often to use onion oil. So me personally, I'm gonna play it safe and just use it once a week on my wash days. I'm gonna use it a couple of hours before and then rinse it. Because the one thing that I 100% understand from research and just reading the back of this bottle is that onion oil is not something that you want to overuse. If you wanna use onion oil daily, which is perfectly fine, just make sure that you're just doing it for 2 or 3 weeks and then giving yourself a bit of a break. This is just my preference and what I'm going to do. Like I always say, do your own research. Google is free. Do what is best for you. Maybe you do end up using it every day. And if you do, let me know the tea, because I want to know all the deets. It's like, let me know how it went, because I might want to do it every day too, eventually. Another reason I want to do this on wash day, because like we already discussed, onion oil can help condition your scalp. It works as a natural conditioner and keeps your hair from getting dry and managing frizz. Onion oil might be new to some, but it has been used for centuries in places like ancient India and Egypt. They use it for so many other natural remedies, from headaches to colds, achy joints, skin conditions, inflammation. That's just to name a few. Definitely look it up if you're interested in learning. Like, I always like finding new things that we can try. I know not everything is for everyone, but I'm glad that I'm able to bring you guys information, give you options, let you know what is out there, and you get to pick and choose what works best for you, what you want to try, all the things. Let me know if you have ever tried onion oil or just onions in general in your hair. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you guys so much for watching, and like always, I love you, I appreciate you, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace. Did you guys watch the Grammys last night? I wanted Victoria Monet to win Best New Artist. I mean, granted, I love Coco as well, but I wanted her to win, and I was so proud of her. Like, I felt like I knew her, proud of her. In her speech, she made the analogy of her experience in the industry in reference to a plant and soil and roots. And I smiled because I always make that analogy with my hair, our hair. And I was like, are we sisters? Like, I think we are. Like, I think we should be friends. And that's it. That's all I had to say.